And back on the channel with my review of the new Cubot KingKong Ace 3. This rugged smartphone combines durability with high performance, making it perfect for both outdoor enthusiasts and tech-savvy users. Today I will try to cover every aspect of this device, from its build quality and design to its performance and unique features. And let's unbox the Cubot KingKong Ace 3, explore its robust construction and dive into its impressive specifications. The Cubot KingKong Ace 3 comes in a sturdy, well-designed box that reflects the rugged nature of the phone inside. On the front of the box we can see the device and the model name, and on the back a few specifications about the device and the color, which is a black and orange combination. Inside the box you will find the phone, which securely holds within the box and well protected by a plastic cover to prevent any scratches during transit. A part of that you have a small envelope which contains a quick start guide, more paperwork and a glass screen protector. Also present inside it's a 33 watts fast charger, ensuring that you can quickly recharge the device, and a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. And not last, you got this SIM ejector tool, which is a small tool to easily access the SIM and the TF card slots. The KingKong Ace 3 features a striking black and orange color scheme. The exterior is crafted from high quality materials, ensuring durability. Rubberized edges and corners provide a secure grip, making it easier to hold the phone securely even with wet or gloved hands. Visible screws on each side of the phone, and the bottom side adds to its industrial robust aesthetic while contributing to the phone's structural integrity. On the back we have the Cubot name, a speaker grill on the left bottom side, also the camera setup and the rear touch screen. On the right side we have the power and the volume buttons, plus a small hole for the attachments. On the left side we have support for the SIM card and a customizable button. And on the bottom we have the USB Type-C support for charging and the mic. And kindly note that both charging support and the SIM card are well protected by waterproof seals. The Cubot KingKong Ace 3 is built to withstand harsh conditions and tough environments, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and professionals who work in demanding fields. The KingKong Ace 3 is certified with IP68 and IP69K ratings. This means it is completely dust-proof and can withstand immersions in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The IP69K rating further ensures that the phone can endure high-pressure water jets, making it suitable for use in wet and muddy environments. The reinforced frame and robust materials used in its build protect it from physical damage, while the thick rubberized corners absorb impacts. The phone's ports and openings are equipped with waterproof seals, preventing water and dust from entering the device. This makes the KingKong Ace 3 reliable in environments where other phones may fail. The KingKong Ace 3 is equipped with a 6.583-inch Full HD display, offering a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. This high resolution ensures that images and text appear sharp and clear, providing a great viewing experience whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or reading ebooks. The large 6.583-inch screen provides ample real estate for immersive media consumptions and gaming. The Full HD Plus display delivers vibrant colors and great contrast, making photos and videos look rich and lifelike. And I have to say that the edges are quite good for this rugged smartphone. The 90Hz refresh rate is a standout feature, especially in a rugged smartphone. The higher refresh rates which result in smoother scrolling and more fluid animations, enhancing the overall user experience. Whether you're navigating through the menus or playing fast-paced games, the 90Hz display ensures everything feels more responsive and visual appealing. And I didn't encounter any big lag during the multitasking by switching the apps, going through the games and back on a specific app, scrolling on the internet, then opening a new app and so on. Basically, I try to push the phone to do rapid multitasking to see if I get stuck, but it did a great job going through all of this with ease. One of the most innovative features of the KingKong Ace 3 is its 1.32-inch real touchscreen. This round screen with insertions of a watch dial on the round edges provides a range of convenient functions. And we have the notification management, so you can quickly view and manage notifications without having to turn the phone around or unlock the main screen. You can check the battery life with the simple scroll down. Check the time, battery, steps and more with access to change the watch faces by double tapping on the screen, and then once decided which one to select, just tap and hold. Next, you have access to the compass straight from the mini screen. Quick selfies, which allows you to take high quality selfies using the 100 megapixel main camera, giving you better photo quality compared to the front camera. Kindly note that you cannot open both camera from the main display and the mini screen in the same time, so please one at a time. Next, you can control music such as skipping tracks or adjusting the volume. And not last, the custom shortcuts, where the real screen can be customized with shortcuts to frequently used apps or functions with a dedicated mini screen section into the main settings. Here you will have access to the display settings with many different clock faces, so you can choose the one you like it. Also, you have the screen on settings, then notification settings, music, and the camera settings, plus some useful tips on how to use the mini screen. So the rear touch screen adds a layer of versatility to the device, making it more user-friendly and practical for everyday use. Running on Android 14, the KingKong Ace 3 benefits from the latest software enhancements, which includes improved memory management and performance optimizations. The OS is designed to work efficiently with the hardware, ensuring smooth operation and quick response times. The KingKong Ace 3 is well equipped with modern connectivity features, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you are. The interface is quite clean, not many apps installed except the one that you really need to. If you drag down from the top side of the phone, you'll have access to the short menu, including access to the internet, also to the location, NFC for payments and other connection shortcuts. In the main settings, you'll have access to a smart key, which you can control the side button by pressing once, twice, or a long press to open a specific app. And as you can see, I already selected for one click to open the mini screen, for double click to do a screenshot, and for the long press I choose to open the main camera. Even more, on the settings you have access to memory expansion, where you can have the option to add another extra 16 GB of ROM memory on top of your existing 8 GB of internal RAM memory. And a part of this, you have more settings that you can explore if you will consider the newest KingKong Ace 3. And by the way, you have links on this video description for all the specs and the latest price. In the heart of the KingKong Ace 3 is the MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor. The chipset is designed to deliver robust performance with a focus on the efficiency and power management. The Helio G88 includes a Mali G50 2MC2 GPU which handles graphics-intensive tasks with ease, making it capable of running modern mobile games smoothly. And I did put the games on maximum graphics settings, which during the gameplay I didn't encounter any issues. Of course, I didn't play within hours, but quite good minutes without any issues. The KingKong Ace 3 comes with 8GB of RAM, which can be virtually expanded up to 24GB in total using software optimizations. The device offers 256GB of internal storage, providing plenty of space for apps, photos, videos and other media. And for users who need even more storage, the phone supports expansion up to 1TB via a TF card. The Cubot KingKong Ace 3 boasts an impressive camera system designed to capture stunning images in various conditions. The cameras are split on each side of the mini screen along with the flashlight. The primary camera features a 100-megapixel sensor, which is quite high for a rugged smartphone. The main camera includes advanced features like Ultra HD, panorama, portrait, time-lapse, slow motion and more. These scenes help optimize your photos by adjusting the settings based on the scene, ensuring the best possible results. The 5-megapixel macro lens is designed for close-up photography. The front camera sports a 32-megapixel sensor, which is excellent for selfies and video calls. The front camera includes beauty mode, portrait mode and other enhancements to make your selfies look even better. And the 1.32-inch rear touchscreen is a unique feature that allows you to take high-quality selfies using the main 100-megapixel camera. This means you can enjoy the superior image quality of the primary sensor for your selfies, which is a significant advantage over using the front camera alone. The battery of the Cubot KingKong Ace 3 is a significant feature designed to provide extended usage, particularly suitable for users who need reliability in remote or rugged environments. The KingKong Ace 3 is equipped with a large 5100 mAh battery, which users can expand extended usage on a single charge, making it suitable for outdoor activities, travel, or situations where access to charging points may be limited. It also supports 33 watts fast charging technology, which this fast charging capability allows the device to recharge quickly compared to standard chargers, enhancing convenience and reducing downtime. But that's not all, and I want to show you an interesting app on its name, Toolbox. This app provides useful tools to organize faster and more precise. You have access to the flashlight, access to peak hanging, measure height, which I tried and it's really awesome. So you just have to input your height and then just follow the instructions from the screen in order to get your measurements. You have also a magnifier, an alarm with multiple options to choose from, and much more. So in conclusion, the Cubot KingKong Ace 3 is a robust and versatile smartphone that combines rugged durability with high performance. The durable design, long-lasting battery and additional features like NFC and dual screen making it a standout choice for those needing a reliable, feature-rich smartphone. And don't forget you have links on this video description for all the specs about this KingKong Ace 3 and the latest price. Until the next time, all I can say is all the best.